Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can take a bullshot photos in the Alcatel 1SE Lite. So the first step, open the camera app, then slide to the left to open the modes, and remember to activate before that the back camera. Okay, now swipe again, then we have a burst, so just select it, and hold the finger on the shutter button. We took 15 photos now, and if you need to pick the best, open it in the gallery, click on this little icon at the center, and select your best frames. Then click on the add sub icon, and decide that you want to keep selected photos only, or all of them. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.